Welcome. In this video, we will learn how to set up JavaFX in our Apache Netbeans. Before I proceed, first thing that you need to be aware of is what is the JDK version that you are using, what is the NetBeans version you are using, and accordingly we will decide what JavaFX we have to install. Currently, uh, at this date, I have JDK 21. So what happens if you go to this website, go to the download option, the latest version of JavaFX you will see is 24.0.1. Today is 11th July 2025. According to this time, this is quite latest, but since I installed Apache NetBeans 1 year ago, so I don't have the JDK to support this. For example, I need JDK 22 to install 24 version of FX. So what I will do, I will choose an older version. So let's take another one, 21. In the type, I will choose SDK. Now I have 4 versions, out of which I will download for Windows. So I'll first download it. This starts to get downloaded. So now the download is successfully completed. I'll go back to my file manager, and this is the file that has got downloaded. Remember, this is in zip way. So what you will do, you will click here, extract all, extract. So it has been extracted for us. We'll go within. Now this folder, what you are going to do, you are going to copy it and paste it in your C drive. The reason is not very specific or something related to JavaFX, or it's not a compulsion to take it to your C drive, but rather a simplicity, because in the upcoming steps we will be setting the class path. So we'll do that. So I have already copied this to my C drive. Now I'll go to the NetBeans. What you will do, you are going to go to the tools option at the top. Go there, then go to libraries option. Now here you will click on new library. You can give a name. So let's be specific, JavaFX 21. Okay. Now you will click on add jar or folder. So again what you will do, I will go back to my C drive. Here I will look for my JavaFX 21 that I downloaded. Yeah, JavaFX SDK 21.0.7. I'll click it, double click it, then go to lib folder, then select all these files. So if you are not aware how to select all of them, just press the control button on your Windows computer and use your mouse pointer to select them. And now I'll click on add jar folder. Now finally I will say OK. Next, let us make a new project to see the demo. I'll go to new project, Java with Ant, Java application. Next, I can give the project name, let's say JavaFX YouTube. Keep this unchecked. Create main class. Keep this unchecked. Finish. Next, what you will do is, this is JavaFX YouTube folder that has been created, the coffee cup. Just right click on it, go to properties. Here are certain steps we will do. Be careful. First go to build, compiling, libraries. First go to libraries, then come on the class path. On the class path towards the right you will see the plus button. Click on that, click on add library. Next choose the library which we just created, that is JavaFX 21. So this is it. Click on add library. Okay, then come to run. Here it says VM options. Now how do you get that? So I just said, just go to the official website, this JavaFX, and next you go to documentation. On the left hand side we will come to JavaFX and NetBeans. Come down under this heading non-modular projects. Now for Linux and Windows, they have given the option for add VM options. So I'm using a Windows operating system. I will click on Windows. This is the code that I have to copy. I'll copy here. I'll go back to my NetBeans. In the VM options, I'll paste it. Now it says path to JavaFX SDK 24.01. You are going to delete this much part. Of course, please don't make mistake with the double inverted commas. Now go back to your C drive, JavaFX SDK 21.0.7. Just right click, go to properties, select this name, and I hope that you don't rename it in the process. Or better is, if you are mistaking this thing, then what you do, double click on it, go at the top, click on this address bar, click on the left arrow key, select this entire thing, copy it and paste it here this way. Rest everything is totally fine, and then you can click on OK. Now let us create a Java class. Again we go to the left side. My project is already selected, JavaFX YouTube. I'll click here, right click here, new Java class. The class name I'll keep, let's say, main, and then I'll finish. I already have a code here from their official website. I'll copy it and I'll replace this much part from line number 10. I will save it, and then either I can go by this play button or right click on this main.java. Just right click on this, go to select in projects, then here on the left hand side you get main.java, right click and run file. It says module javafx.controls not found. We will just recheck it. Select in projects, JavaFX YouTube, right click, properties, application, run, add modules javafx.controls, javafx.fxml. That's fine. Let's do one thing. Go to the projects, JavaFX YouTube, right click, properties, compiling, uncheck this compile on save. Okay. Let's retry. First save it, Control plus S, then run it. Yeah, it's working. So one step that we missed out was, they say that we have to deselect the compile on save option. That we did. I'll show you once again. You choose your folder, project, select in projects, JavaFX YouTube, the project, right click, properties, go to compiling option, and the first option that you see, compile on save, just untick it. This is a requirement by the official website, and click OK. So this is all for today. You can of course go to their official website also, choose the application or the software where you want to run JavaFX, and first proceed with this installation that I have shown you in this video, and then proceed with other type of example that they have on their website. So that's more than enough. I think this is enough to get your feet wet. All the very best. Thank you.